It's hard enough to strike up a conversation with an audience in stable, technology-saturated parts of the world. What if the people you need to communicate with live on the edge? The edge is not a specific place. It's anywhere where support, network reliability, electricity, and other resources are scarce. You're on the edge when responding to the Haitian earthquake, or delivering medical aid in remote parts of Africa, or conducting operations in the Philippines, or even providing aid in war-torn Afghanistan. So how do you have important conversations with audiences on the edge? Use Pulse from IST Research. Pulse leverages existing communication channels across the globe to start conversations. Pulse taps into multiple forms of media, including things like interactive voice response, or IVR, phone texting, smartphone apps, the web, social media, and paper-to-digital technology, plus tried and true community engagement and personal interviews to gather the data you want. We begin with a campaign design that outlines your high-level goals and establishes a plan to meet them. Then we generate media templates and provide prompts for localization and translation and send them out to your audience. The returning data is received and consolidated so campaign managers can investigate, inspect, clean, and synthesize. Microtasking allows small and large teams to work in parallel, rapidly preparing data for analysis. Campaign designers have numerous ways to analyze the data in order to fine-tune the campaign's components to reach more of the population. They can also adjust the structure and quality of the data being captured. In other words, Pulse becomes steadily more effective as the communication cycle continues. Modular, flexible, simple, powerful, trusted, and social. Let Pulse start your conversation anywhere in the world, even on the edge. Visit istresearch.com to learn more.